Hello Gemini, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for August the 22nd to August the 25th reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto nyo po sumali sa ating live sessions, doon po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. And nagla-live po tayo doon. So, kung gusto niyo sumali, you're very much welcome. No, Gemini, kung hindi niyo po maabutan itong live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. All right. I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours, magsimula na tayo. No? Parang sinasabi dito ng isang tao na alam mo na bago mo ang buhay ko. No? Alam mo, nagkaroon ng kulay ang buhay ko. Baka gulay itong karelasyon nyo, no? Parang you become my inspiration. You become my rock, no? Maraming pagpapasalamat na pwede nating sabihin. Whether this is you, or your person, you can switch the energies anyway. What I am reading here is the dynamic. No, so parang sinasabi dito, kahit na hindi perfect yung relationship natin, no? Kahit meron tayong mga challenges along the way, iba pa rin, no, yung naging impact mo sa buhay ko. So, whether you have separations or not, wala pa naman kasi yung mga cards, no? Parang sinasabi, parang you raised the bar, no? Iba yung binigay mong saya, no, sa akin. Iba yung yun nga impact ng simula nung dumating ka sa buhay ko, no? Mahal na mahal kita or mahal na mahal pa rin kita. So, I think for a few numbers of you, meron talagang taong sabihin natin sobrang nafo-fall kay Gemini. Parang this person's going to place this connection into another level of commitment. Pwede ring medyo matagal na kayo magkakilala dahil from what I am seeing, the Knight of Cups is the knight who slowly moves. Pwedeng you might be in a situationship, no? Na hindi naman siya umuusad pero eto na, no? The justice will be served, no? What you deserve is parang ibibigay naman sa'yo, no? So kasi nakita naman niya how you protected the connection, how you took care of them or taking care of them. Parang makikita ko yung glow up, no? Yung glow up mo, no? Or yung glow ng mata mo once you heard this or see, no? Parang this person's going to lift your spirit up, no? In many levels or form. With the Nine of Pentacles, the Eight of Swords, the Sun, and the Four of Swords. So I am seeing a lot of happiness, a lot of sincerity, no? For a few numbers of you, well, for a small percentage, for those of you who's waiting for their person na to get out of incarceration, no? Kung nakakulong siya, pwede siyang kumawala, no? Hapyawan ko lang yan ng very light, no? Pwedeng kumawala. Iba yung kumawala, yung mapalaya. Sorry, hindi kumawala. Kumawala is tumakas, di ba? Makalaya, there you go. So you're gonna be happy to see this person again. For the majority of you, I am seeing here that they saw how you are so focused in the connection and parang you showed the loyalty in them. So very aligned. Kaya nga sabi ko, nararamdaman nyo na. You can almost see it, feel it, taste it, touch it, no? aligned yung puso at isip nyo. So parang, eto na yata, no? Alam ko paparating na etong inaantay ko dito sa relationship namin. There probably, if you have separations in physical form, in distant, parang hinihila nyo na itong araw para makita itong taong to. Let's say, OFW, no? Um, or pwede rin namang hindi, nasa ibang lugar lang na, dadalaw siya or uuwi siya. So, hinihila ko yung araw, ganun ako ka-excited kasi alam ko yung mangyayari, feel ko yung mangyayari. With the Eight of Cups, the Page of Wands, the Three of Pentacles, and the Ten of Swords. Now, I want to clarify the Ten of Swords first. The Star and the Nine of Wands. I also want to clarify the Eight of Cups, which is the Queen of Pentacles and the Six of Wands. So para dito merong kunwa-kunwarian, no, na I separated from you, umalis ako dito sa um bubble, no, sa relationship natin. Just parang arte lang, no. Gumawa lang ako ng eksena, gumawa lang ako ng to spice up our connection, no? Ang nakikita ko nga dito, parang wala rin naman nangyari dun sa arte-artihan na yan. Kasi pag nung nagkita uli is, nandun na naman yung babalik or masigit pa, no? I think that this connection is very promising. I am seeing a lot of, I think that there is a doorway for this person to give Gemini the much awaited, no? Pelikula, much awaited na mangyayari, no, sa kanilang dalawa. Let's check the emotion. This could be your person's emotion or this could be your emotion, no? So, bunot lang tayo ng isa. I dream about you last night. Ayan. Siguro din, no, kaya gusto palaging natutulog is at least sa panaginip, lagi silang magkasama. I remember, kasi umuulan nga, no? Hindi dahil sa umuulan siguro, nananaginip ako personally. Nananaginip ako na namumulot lang ako ng pera. Tapos lahat ng sinasabi ko, parang nagmamanifest lang. Nagising ako. Tapos gusto kong umiyak. I know, wag niyong gagayahin. Masama to. Pero sa sobrang ganda ng panaginip ko, I would rather parang pumikit na lang uli. Hindi daw ako naihi, no, habang natutulog. Pero, ayun, ano ba yan? Ang pangit, naihi tuloy. Yung parang ganun yung drama na ayokong matapos yung panaginip. Tapos, I would rather always go to sleep dahil maganda yung nangyayari. No? So, again, this is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This could be your person. This could be your person's sign or placement in their chart. So, umpisahan natin sa Taurus, Sagittarius, Libra, Pisces, Leo, Virgo, Scorpio, Aquarius, Capricorn. Yeah, this is your reading. Gemini, for a few numbers of you. I mean, for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live session, sa kabilang channel po siya, that is Babaylan TV. No, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa live session, you're very much welcome. Kung hindi niyo po naaabutan yung live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section, as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Pero kilala niyo po yung sarili ninyo, Gemini. So, kung feeling niyo po hindi kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot lang, pwede naman kayo dumiretso na dun sa ating description box. There is a link. Click that link, you're gonna be routed to my website. Ayan. So, unang-unang bubungad yung question form. No? Ibaba nyo lang ng konti, hindi po kasi siya kasya sa screen. Nasa baba po yung QR codes. The QR codes, meron po siya mga designated amount, how much per question, the name, the number for your reference. I also created a 4 questions plus 1. So, discounted na siya. May libre pang isang question. So, you might want to take advantage of it. If you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya sa description box. Pakicheck na lang po yung mga QR codes. Ayan. Kung hindi naman kayo nagmamadali at gusto niyo sumali sa ating raffle na manalo ng private reading, please report the fake accounts na nasa description box and then take a screenshot of your report, no? Then send it to the designated email para dun po ako bubunot ng winner for the private reading. Ayan. So, Gemini, kung hinahanap niyo po itong mga readings about exes, no? If you still care about your ex or wanting to know what's happening to them, nilipat ko po siya dun sa Facebook. Ang tawag po natin dun sa segment na yun is X-Files. Ayan. So, dun nyo lang po siya makikita. Wala po dito yan sa YouTube. And kung gusto nyo po akong i-follow, no, dun po sa ating description o dun po sa page, sa website, nandun po yung mga icons ng mga apps. So, click nyo lang yon, iraroute na kayo. Kung gusto nyo sumali sa Facebook, i-follow ako sa Facebook, yon, follow sa Instagram, or i-follow po sa TikTok, no? Nandun po yan. I-click nyo lang, di na kayo magta-type. I-route na kayo doon. So, Gemini, this is your reading. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.